Hey guys, welcome to question MM362 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. So here we've got 3 striped socks and 6 spotted socks in a drawer. 3 socks are taken from the drawer without replacement. The probability that 2 striped socks and 1 spotted sock are chosen is. Alright, awesome. So the thing we have to keep clear here is that we are dealing with without replacement. So as soon as you see the words without replacement, we want to deal with a tree diagram and create one of these. Okay, so I'm not going to do all of the probabilities on all the branches because we're not going to need them. I'm just going to do the ones that do matter and the ones that we're going to actually use. So if we want the probability of 2 striped and 1 spotted sock, we're going to need to choose our pathways that give us that combination. Okay, so we've got our 2 striped and 1 spotted, so stripe, stripe, spot. So we want this path here. We also want our stripe, spot, stripe, so this one here, because we need to remember that order doesn't matter. Like 2 striped socks and 1 spotted sock, we could take 2 striped and then a spotted, or a spotted and then 2 stripes, or a striped and then a spot and then a stripe. Okay, so we also want this combination here: spot, then stripe, then stripe. Awesome. So now we need to figure out the probabilities of each one of these branches happening. Okay, so to start with, the probability that we pick out a striped sock, we have 3 striped socks in 3 striped socks, and we have 9 in total, right? So our probability of picking out a striped is 3/9. Now we want the probability of picking out this stripe. So we've already picked out a striped sock and we haven't replaced it, right? So we have 2 striped socks left. And because we haven't replaced it, we don't have 9 total socks now, we have 8, because we've already taken one out. So that's 2 on 8 there. Probability of taking out a spotted is, we haven't taken out any spotted socks yet, so we've still got 6 left in the drawer. So the probability that we pick out a spotted is 6. We've taken out 2 socks so far, which means we're left with 7 total. So the probability that we pick out a spotted there is 6 on 7. Awesome. Now we want to go with this path here, because this is where we want to get to next. So we've picked out a striped sock in this path, and then what's the probability that we pick out a spotted sock here? Well, we've still got 6 spotted socks because we haven't picked out one yet, so we've still got 6 spotted ones. And because we've taken 1 striped one out, we don't have 9 total, we have 8, okay? So in our second kind of path, we're always going to have the 8 total socks. Now this stripe, taking a striped one out here, we've taken a striped, we've taken a spotted, which means that we have 2 striped ones left and 7 total, right? Because we've taken a striped and a spotted, so we have 2 striped and 7 total left. That's that path taken care of now. Now we can go with this one. So the probability that we pick out a spotted one first, we have 6 spotted socks out of a 9 total, right? And you'll notice that 3 on 9 plus 6 in 9 is equal to 1. So the branches here, the double branches, always have to equal to 1. Awesome. Now the probability of picking out a striped, we haven't picked out a stripe yet. There's still 3 left in the drawer, so we've got 3 over our total, which is 8, right? Because we've already taken out a spotted, so we subtract 1 off that 9. Now this striped, we've taken out a spotted and a striped, so we've got 2 striped left because we've already taken 1 out, and then we've already taken 2 out. We've taken 1, 2, so we've got a total of 7 left. Now these are the only branches that we need to worry about because these are the only branches that give us 2 striped and 1 spotted, okay? Now, what we need to do is now multiply all these together and then add them, okay? So to get to this path here, the probability is 3 in 9 times 2 in 8 times 6 in 7, okay? So we add each of our branches together, we multiply each of our branches together. Now to get to this point, we get 3 in 9 times 6 in 8 times 2 in 7, and to get to this branch, or this path, we have 6 in 9 times 3 in 8 times 2 in 7. I'm just going to rub out this tree diagram, so if you want to pause the video now and copy this down, please do that, so I'm going to get rid of that now. Now, we're going to actually add all of these together, multiply them together and then add them. So the probability that we have 2 striped and 1 spotted is equal to 3 in 9 times 2 in 8 times 6 in 7, so that's our first branch up here, plus 3 in 9 times 6 in 8 times 2 in 7, plus 6 in 9 times 3 in 8 times 2 in 7. right? So we've got this one here, and then this one here. Just gonna rub these out. Awesome. What this pops out, I'll just do this in my CAS. This pops out 3 and 14, which is our answer of B. So guys, B is our answer for MM362. If you have any questions about creating that tree diagram, please hit me up in the comments below. But otherwise, as always guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.